I'm just getting ready to make a dinner. It's about 5:49 in the evening, and I already had a pretty good lunch. I had a shepherd's pie, and it had a lot of really wonderful flavors in it and a nice mashed potato topping on it. So I had that for lunch. So I had a pretty hearty lunch, and my holistic health and nutrition coach wants me to make sure that I let people know what I'm doing as I try to make this transition to a plant-based whole foods diet. So it's time for dinner. I don't want to eat a really big meal really late, but I just went swimming and I really burned a lot of calories. So I want to make sure that I replace what I burned off. And so let me just show you what I'm going to do. I'm just using the rest of the Brussels sprouts that I have in the fridge. I'm going to slice them pretty thin, steam them for maybe 2 or 3 minutes to bring out the color. These are just pea pods. I like pea pods just to snack on when I'm cooking or coming home from the grocery store. And also, it's good for dips. And I have a little bit of no tahini hummus is what that is. So it has no fat in it. It's made with chickpeas and lemon and garlic. And I'm going to add, for my Brussels sprouts, a little bit of mustard to it and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. I bought non-organic last time I went, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. One of the things I want you to know when you have to choose between organic and non-organic is that as long as you're eating a wide variety of these colorful fruits and vegetables, you're giving your body everything it needs to do this detoxification process all the time. Brussels sprouts, by the way, have a high amount of protein in them per volume, which is really nice. At the same time, though, for the heartiness in this meal, I'm going to add some tricolored beans. Because of that swim I just did, I'll probably eat the whole can. You can tell I'm a non-cook, but this is the way a non-cook, switching to plant-based whole foods with no added oil or fat, is eating. Sauces or dressings that you can put on things to make them easier for you to eat. As you can see, I have the mustard and the balsamic vinegar in with my tahini, and I'm just gonna blend it with my immersion blender, and let's just give it a go. It's my new favorite appliance. Okay, and that's ready to use with my snap peas and my peppers. I probably won't use the onion that way, but any kind of colorful vegetable, carrots would be a great idea here. I'm just getting ready to put the organic tricolored beans in my microwavable container so that I can, it's going to be hard to do this one-handed, but so that I can add a little bit of organic salsa to it, and that will be my protein, along with my Brussels sprouts and a little bit of dressing and veggies. So I just put my salsa and beans and a little bit of onion in this microwavable dish. That's going to be my little pseudo chili, I guess, for tonight. I'm just going to heat it in the microwave. So this is the final result. Colorful plate, of course. Brussels sprouts with my tahini, no tahini hummus, actually. That dressing, by the way, is super delicious. If you want something really, really tasty, you need to try that. Hummus with balsamic and mustard. And yeah, I don't know why they call me No Cook Natalie. This is delicious.